Hey everybody, I want to give you my quick review of this really nice step stool. So if you're looking for something that's going to be very portable and easy to use, something that you can easily grab and put away when you're not using it, but something that you can also just in a pinch immediately turn into an actual step stool, I would highly recommend this very nice, simple, and very portable step stool. One of the things I really like about it on the bottom, as you can see here, is that it does have some grip to it on the bottom. And this really does a good job. These pads that you can see here do a really good job of keeping the step stool in place. As you can see, I'm going to kind of try and move this here. And it's really doing a good job of staying in place overall. And probably the best feature is just being able to easily pick this up from the handle here. And it just folds up nice and easily. And you can imagine storing this maybe in between some shelving or behind a door or in a closet. So overall, if you're looking for a cute, simple, easy to use, and very reliable step stool, and I think you can't go wrong with this one. I'm very happy with my purchase.
If you're interested in purchasing this product, I will leave a link for you to be able to do so in the description. It is an affiliate link, so I will receive a commission if you do make a purchase, but it will be at no additional cost to you.